Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is MCQs on safety and prevention of accidents. Unit number 1 in maintenance of electrical equipment. So this year our exam is online. So MCQs questions are very important. So the important topics are: first is all definitions, second is electric shock, third is precautions against electric fire, fourth is type of fire extinguishers, fifth is earthing. So MCQs on all these 5 points. So listen carefully, and these MCQs are very important. So the first is any method or process or technique which can minimize unwanted event or accident is called. Means method or process or technique which can minimum unwanted event or accident is called. Means अशी कोणती मेथड आणि किंवा प्रोसेस किंवा टेक्निक आहे की ज्यामुळे अनवॉन्टेड इव्हेंट और ॲक्सिडंट हे कमी होतील. तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत सेफ्टी हजार्ड, ॲक्सिडेंट अँड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो द आन्सर आहे सेफ्टी. मीन्स मेथड और प्रोसेस और टेक्निक विच कॅन मिनिमम अनवॉन्टेड इव्हेंट और ॲक्सिडेंट्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज सेफ्टी. सेफ्टीमुळे ॲक्सिडेंट्स और अनवॉन्टेड इव्हेंट मिनिमम होऊ शकतात. तर नेक्स्ट आहे इज ए पोटेन्शियल कंडिशन waiting to be converted in an unwanted event or accident. Means potential condition waiting to be converted in an unwanted event or accident. So options are: first is safety, second is hazard, third is accident, and fourth is responsibility. Means when any conditions occur, means the potential condition, then the hazard is the correct answer. And when see the example, when insulation on live conductor become weak, then short circuit like place and produce fire takes place resulting into electric shock. This is the example. So the our answer is hazard. Next question is electric accident may result body of injury, burning of a part of body, death of a person, all of the above. So the our answer is option D, all of the above. Means electric accidents may result body injury, burning of a part of body, and death of a person. So the next question is 100 to 200 milliampere current flows through human body, then results. Answer options are not painful, medium but painful, severe muscular contraction, breathing becomes difficult, heart stop, instant death. So the answer is option D, heart stop, instant death. Means very high, that is 100 to 200 milliampere current flows through human body, then result in heart stop, instant death. And when 1 to 4 milliampere current flow, that is not painful. And when 4 to 15 milliampere current, then medium but painful. And when 15 to 50 milliampere current, then muscular contraction and breathing become difficult. And when 50 to 100 milliampere current in flow through our body, then ventricular fibrillation may result in death. So the next question is severity of shock depends on which factor. मीन्स सेव्हिरिटी ऑफ शॉक कशावर डिपेंड्स आहे, कोणत्या फॅक्टर्सवर? तर पहिला आहे सप्लाय सिस्टीम DC और AC, सेकंड आहे रेजिस्टन्स ऑफ बॉडी, थर्ड आहे व्होल्टेज अँड करंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ सिस्टीम, अँड D इज all of the above. So the answer is option D, all of the above. Means severity of shock depends on supply system DC or AC, resistance of body, and voltage value and current value, strength of system. So this is the fifth. And next is which of the following condition does not follow by electric supervisor. मीन्स अशी कोणती कंडिशन आहे की इलेक्ट्रिकल सुपरवायझर फॉलो करत नाही. तर ऑप्शन्स आहेत फर्स्ट इज use correct side and quality fuse wire while renewing blow fuse. B is test rubber glue periodically. C is use wire with poor insulation. And D is place rubber mats in front of electric switchboard. Means does not follow electric supervisor when the answer is use wire with poor insulation. Answer is option C, use wire with poor insulation. And hence sometimes ask question that way, which of the following condition does follow by electric supervisor? Then option A, B and C, these are the answers. So the next is class A fire is used against which fire? So first is fire involve wood, paper, cloth, rubber, etc. Fire involve liquid gases, petroleum products. C is fire involves flammable gases, liquefied gases. And D is fire involve combustible metals such as sodium, magnesium and zinc and potassium. So our answer is class A fire is used against which fire? Class A fire is used against fire involves wood, paper, cloth, rubber, etc. So when asked class B fire is used against which fire, then answer is fire involves liquid gases, petroleum products. And when use class C, fire involves flammable gases, liquefied gases. And when class D, fire involves combustible metals such as sodium, magnesium, zinc, potassium. So this is the 7th question. And next is which are the fire extinguishers are used against electric fire? Dry powder extinguisher, carbon tetrachloride extinguishers, methyl bromide extinguishers, carbon dioxide gas extinguisher. So all of these answers are correct and our answer is E. And foam extinguisher, water extinguisher and soda acid extinguisher, these are not a electric fire extinguisher. These are the not used against the electric fire. So the next is purpose of earthing is safety to personal, fire protection against electric shock, all of the above. So our answer is D, means all of the above. Purpose of earthing is safety, fire protection against electric shock, all of the above. Next is which of the following is not a cause of electric accident? Without maintaining discipline, lack of knowledge, neglecting the order of supervisor, use of proper safety devices. So our answer is option D, use of proper safety devices. So next is what are the causes of fire due to electric shock? Overloading of machinery, failure of earthing system, loose connection, all of the above. So our answer is all of the above. Means what are the causes of fire due to electric fault? ओव्हरलोडिंग मुळे पण फॉल्ट होतो, फेल्युअर ऑफ सर्टन सिस्टीम मुळे पण फॉल्ट होतो आणि लूज कनेक्शन मुळे पण फॉल्ट होतो. सो our answer is option D, all of the above. Next is why CO2 extinguisher used in most application? Means carbon dioxide extinguisher is in most why used? So the answer options are effective cooling, use on live electric circuit, C is bad conductor of electricity, and all of the above. So our answer is option D, all of the above. Means CO2 extinguisher used, these three are the advantages of CO2 extinguisher. Next is earth potential is, options are 0, infinite, medium, small. So our answer is earth potential is 0. Then next is the earth wire and earth electrode resistance is very high, very small, medium, none of the above. So our answer is very small. Means earth wire and earth electrode resistance is very small. So the earth electrode should be kept plate or pipe. The earth electrode should be kept plate or pipe. Means earth electrode should be vertical or horizontal or none of the above. So the earth electrode should be kept vertical. So the next is neutral earthing is also known as protective earthing, system earthing, machine earthing. So the neutral earthing is also known as the machine earthing, and protective earthing is called as general earthing. So the next is earth resistance for large power substation is 0.5 ohm, 1.0 ohm, 2.0 ohm, 8.0 ohm. So our answer is option A, 0.5 ohm. Earth resistance for large power substation is 0.5 ohm. 1.0 ohm is for the major substation, and 2.0 ohm is for the small substation, and 8.0 for the other, and 2.0 for the small. Next is, in plate earthing, size of plate is, so in plate earthing, copper and GI earthing is copper and GIF plate are used. So for copper, 60 by 60 into 3.18 millimeter is used. So our answer is option A. Next is, on which factor earth resistance depend? Depth of electrode, moisture, NaCl, all of the above. So our answer is option D, means the factor, which factor earth resistance depend. Then the म्हणजे की अर्थ रेजिस्टन्स हे डेप्थ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोडवर, मॉइश्चरवर आणि NaClवर डिपेंड असतो. So our next is, according to IE rule, the supplier shall provide and maintain on the consumer premises suitable phase terminal, earth terminal, neutral terminal, none of the above. So our answer is option B, earth terminal, means according to IE rule, the supplier shall provide and maintain on the consumer premises suitable earth terminal. I hope you like this video. So thank you.